going on YouTube? I am back with another video. You can see we are at mass acceleration, which means one thing. We're picking up the beast, which is directly behind me, you guys. I can't thank John, Nick, G, and everybody at Mass Acceleration for taking on the project, especially while I'm overseas. It was kind of one of those things. I told them get to it when they get to it, but they definitely always take good care of me. If you need anything Mopar, GM, almost anything related, they'll take care of you. If you guys know anything about all of my cars, they have been very, very quick. But enough talking. Everything 1320 happens right here, and let's go. And here she is, you guys. Getting to pick her up today. We'll go in the shop and take a look at a few more cars, but looks the same on the outside. But we're gonna get into what was actually done. I got a build sheet in here, so let's dive into it. There you have it, you guys. This is my Cts-V LT4 now. Kong exported, Kong throttle body, 2.3 pulley expansion, engine bay tank, long tube header, catless Cts-V. You can see the sheet right there. We'll go over it. It doesn't have prices. You have any questions regarding prices, but you can see porting upgrade, supercharger rebuild, high flow water manifold, which is what you see right here, because this is also used as a ice tank if needed, and I'll have G talk about that. Bunch of different things, 2-inch headers, connection pipes, and then of course my mass acceleration tune. But that is what's now done to the beast. Let's start it up and get you guys a feel for it. It is hot. They did just run it, so it won't be necessarily a cold start, but let's get behind it and see what it sounds like. Overall, it sounds really healthy. I can't be more happy with it. We'll take it up the road so you guys can hear it. This thing whines like crazy now. And it finally revs. You can see, have it plugged in. But let's go take a trip. As I stated before, I'll show you a few of the cars. Got a nice Chevy SS Hellcat. I believe it's a red eye. Nope, it's a regular Hellcat. Super clean spec. It's my favorite color combo. Red seats with the Destroyer gray. See the radios on the rear. Favorite spec, favorite hood, etc. And then you got this beast right here. And if you want to see this, you got to tune in to my next video. You got a charger up on the lift. You got the biggest project back there. I can't show you. It's a Trackhawk turned another car. And of course, John is in here tuning. Some of the projects I can't show you for customer purposes, but this one I will. So make sure you tune into the next video. Like I said, we're gonna go in for a ride. I'll have G talk about the car a little bit as well. Overall, it drives a lot more spicy, a lot more reaction. The whine is insane. Definitely fell in love with the car. You guys know me, I've wanted a Cts-V for probably since 2007, middle school, whatever. So if you know me, I'll take this over a Hellcat any day. But I want to drop some gears and quote unquote disappear, but I'm on the worst highway for that, because there is so many places police hide over here. But I'm trying to get you guys to at least hear the supercharger whine. Sounds way better than a Hellcat. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think. If I can get some flybys, I may have my wife take some flybys and add it to the video. So let me know what you think. Shop Mass Acceleration for anything GM, Mopar, don't matter. If you want to go fast, go to mass acceleration.